So first of all, identify like her apex.
Her apex, so...
And you can see it's kind of flat right there.
Okay.
Right? No, you get 90 degrees to here, so you're just gonna go straight down to the bone, like right here. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna take this off.
Go right to the bone.
Keep going. Keep going. Just slow. Okay, there you go. Okay, good. Pull out. Watch pressure, no bleeding. Okay. All right. And then do a little massage. Do a little massage. And then the next would be just a little bit above that, but feel the zygoma. You gotta, this part, and so you wanna kind of pull it back and put in the zygoma. Yeah. And then make sure you're not at 0.5 yet. Got it? If you go not on the zygoma, it's wasted product. It just goes into the sub-Q space and you just wasted a bunch of product. So. But when you're right on the zygoma, you will lift the tissue.
Yeah.
Are you at 0.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so now like, this is when if you're half done, I can do like, it's called a halftime show. What I usually do is like, I have them look at the mirror.
This is better. Okay. I like this one.
We're gonna use a cannula, so take off the needle. We can keep it, don't throw it away, so it's still good. And we're gonna use the cannula, the blunt cannula. And looks like a 27, 1.5, so it's a good length. It's good enough length, so if we make a porthole here, we can get the cannula, we can deliver product all throughout that medial cheek area to volumize this. And this is gonna give further lift to nasolabial and to the jowls, okay?